Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has come into the, or did come into the orange support area again. A few people earlier today were already a little bit scared, or not scared, but disappointed that we had already left the support area. They wanted to buy in here, I think. I saw a few comments. This is certainly a support area, and we're currently holding above it. We did dip into it. We're already out of it again. Ideally, we are going to go with that C wave here a little bit below the A wave, but the price doesn't need to. It has now entered the support area for the third time, and yeah, we should, as long as we're holding this one, especially the lowest point here at 22,000, we should get that fifth wave to the upside. And let's just double check again the price for that. So that target, yeah, and with that target, we should be looking here at 24,285 at least for the fifth wave. Yeah, that would be the minimum. We reached already the target here yesterday overnight. That was for that third wave, and we're now looking at a target for the fifth wave to the upside around 24,285. But again, we can still dip a little bit lower. It's just not possible to forecast those lower level wave counts to that accuracy. It's important to understand the pivot points. This is a pivot point, a decision point where the price can turn around. Yeah, you know, the price can bounce off from to trade that fifth wave of 3. And then ideally afterwards, we get that fourth wave here. Finally. And I had a comment that someone asked where that 30% retracement was. Well, Bitcoin wasn't supposed to do a 30% retracement. That would have been massive. No, we obviously waited here for the retracement of the fourth wave. It did do it. Obviously, it touched the support area. As always, you need to be ready that these prices can turn around also when they only touch the support areas. But even a drop here further into the area would not have been 30%. We would have been talking as a maximum around 13%, 13.5%. Yeah, it's the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, but that doesn't mean that the price drops 30%. So please understand that. But that's why we've got them nicely visualized here on the chart, these support areas. Yeah, so at the moment we're holding it. We did dip into the support area again. I wouldn't rule out that we do that again. The price can theoretically, in the current wave count, max out this box. And also on top of that, we don't only have these Fibonacci supports, because that's what they are. No, we also have this ascending trend line, which we might retest and flip from resistance to support. So that will be interesting. So for example, I could imagine something happens like we come down a bit and bounce off here and then move up in the fifth wave. That would obviously be the ideal outcome. We also have the potential that maybe a small head and shoulders is emerging here on this support level here. So that we had here a small left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and that could take us down to that trend line. Would be nice and easy. Yeah, but that's my update about Bitcoin. Obviously, when we now move up and break above the previous high, then it would indicate the breakout at 23,380. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.